Just hopping back on. End of the day. Make sure the voice. Mic check. Mic check. Alright. How'd you guys do today so far? We did alright. We thought it was gonna fall for like a split second, but we realized I did take a 350 loss here because it looked like it was gonna fucking short twice, and then I'm like, nah, this shit's fucking short squeezing, and it grinded up. So we did okay. So it's starting to break down a little bit. We'll have to get past this area here. Can't tell which color's better in the eyes. Definitely love tapped it, bouncing back up. Break below this should send it down. Alright, I'm going in. Oh, kind of felt a little slow there. Very quick scalp, nothing too crazy. We're gonna see if it goes back to the next level. Just in and out. It's starting to resist though. It looked very heavy right there. But we are at the 300s too. It just looks very heavy. It's fighting. gonna be. If it starts breaking above here, 302s, then I don't know, it might come back up. There we go. There you go. There you go, Daddy. Uh-oh. Thanks for the follow. I appreciate you. Oh my God, just put it in. Well, that was annoying. Let's look in the 30-second. Maybe it's trying to retrace a little bit. So it can easily come up to here, or in a shorter time frame, it could be right in this pocket again. I don't know, do we just take it out or? Fucking fighting. I don't know if this was a swing low or not. Probably wants to just get some more. I think it's gonna come back down. Right back to the 300s. What you wanna do? I can't believe that was a point away. It's only like 0.25 away, that was. Alright, well, we're right back in the zone. Let's see what happens here. If it starts to get sour again, we will maybe add a little more to it. Alright, I'm gonna add two more. But we're gonna get out just two a little early, and then hopefully Hopefully it'll come back down to our zone. See, this is what I don't like when it's like, hey, pick a direction. We should fall. This is all in 1 minute though, so I'm not saying long term. I'm a scalper. 1 minute time frame. And these shorts did not fucking play out, huh? Shit. So right now we don't listen to shorts and we're gonna be doing Fibonacci style. Should come down and at least take out this swing low here into our profit, and then maybe we'll actually just buy two and scalp it out real quick. How'd you guys do today in trading? It was a little difficult at first, but once you figured out that we were grinding, it was very smooth sailing. But the grinds are a little weird, like you need to learn like when they're going. So we actually thought it was going to short for a second. I took a 350 loss, but we recovered tremendously easily because we figured it was going to short squeeze up. Okay, we got out 2 contracts. We got 2 left. Let's see if it takes out this swing. If you're not following me on TikTok, help me out. How can you start? Oof. You got a long lot of reading. If you want, join my Discord. It's in the bio. And then I have a beginner section. No knowledge. And just watch those videos. It's going to take you some time. Don't expect to make money overnight. It's going to take weeks and months. And then after you start to get your basics, you can start out with, you can start with practice account, period. But after your practice account, ooh, this might fucking, see how it swept the low? And now it's coming up. Then you can start with prop firms. $50 gets you a $50,000 account. They give you a challenge. You got to pass their challenge. You make $3,000. After you pass their challenge, you are worthy to get into their live account. Not live, it's like semi-live. You pay another $100, then you got to make $3,000 again, and then anything past $3,000, you get to keep. So say in January and February, maybe a little bit of March, we turned $200 into 15 grand. And it was all live. Most of it. So that's what I like to do is prop firms. You're not risking your own money because you will tilt sometimes. And I'd rather lose $150 than $5,000 of my real money. But this isn't just a get rich thing, okay? So anybody that's like, oh, he's making all that money, this is fucking years of experience, and it's gonna take time. As long as you make good money management rules, don't trade any money that you're going to cry about if you lose it, because you will lose eventually. This is a grinder. It takes time. It takes time. Prop firms is to get a funded account after I learn? Yes. Well, you got to pass their challenge. But you should, you know, it's hard to pass a challenge. You got to make $3,000 without losing $2,000. If you can do that, then, you know, you'll start to learn that you are getting better and better. And if you do fail it, then you need more work. So it helps you with money management at the same time. This is futures. Kind of want to buy this for a quick scalp. Swing low, just like it's been doing, and see if it comes back up. Very small. Ooh, kind of swept low there. I think it'll come back though. This is futures. I suck at options long term. Short term, I'm okay, but it's a lot of work for me. And then options on a longer time, I suck at theta. Man, I suck at it. I just can't figure it out. That was a quick little win. So I got 2 more strategies I'm going to be releasing. Fibonacci in liquidity sweeps. Whatever's moving. So sometimes I will bring it out. So this is the Dow on the right here. See, Dow was very hard to trade today. This is my indicator too, if you're curious. I can show it to you if you want. Gray candles means do not trade. It doesn't know what it wants. At least that style. It doesn't want you to trade that style. I'm on the 5-minute on that. So we got gray here. I can make this bigger. Gray candles, do not trade. Yellow means extremely oversold. Orange means oversold. We do get a short here. I probably wouldn't have taken this because it is oversold, but our second short was really good, right? So we get in. As long as the candle doesn't close above the cloud, we'll short it into the bottom here. And as soon as it turns orange, we would be getting out. But the entire day was kind of hard to trade. So you have gray candles, do not trade. Then you have your buy signal. Would have been, see how it's orange, so we're not sure if I would have took this, but would have took this. And this, I'm positive this probably turned orange. So that would have been a nice winner. Same thing, short, short. As long as it doesn't close above the cloud. So this one maybe would have got rough because it went above the cloud. Second short. Get out when it's orange and yellow. But Trump was talking a lot today, so it was very rough to trade. It's been kind of hard to trade, period. We can check out gold. Sometimes we'll trade gold. Gold is really good at nighttime. So maybe would have got some winners here, but it was kind of rough. So you kind of moved to NASDAQ. NASDAQ has been moving very nice today. I mean, these would have been winners. Winner. I guess that's a winner. But you wouldn't have taken that. There's some rules that I have. There is a buy here. So like we can take this if we want, but it's moving so slow. I get bored sometimes. But at nighttime, this should be popping. Let's see. Right around 8 o'clock usually it's good. It was a little choppy. I might have been waiting for the news. But you can see it would have kept you out this entire time, and you would have got a winner here, winner here. So if you're curious in that and you know what you're doing, you need to learn your basics. You can join my Discord. If you want these indicators, they're in my VIP section. If you guys are curious why I sell them, is because I'm selling my time here. So okay, so we got a short here, but we usually don't take the first short after it turns gray. We got to see if we get another short again, then we'll take it. So my indicators are free for 30 days, which you do the trial. After 30 days, it is equal to about $1 a day. So keep that in mind. If you want to be rich, you need different avenues of income. And I think $1 a day is pretty damn good. This indicator I have not released yet. I wanted to perfect it, but I'm going to try to release it this week because I don't think I can perfect it anymore. Fibonacci pullback, multi, with indications when to get in. Alright, so if this collapse here, we're going to get in. Alright, we're going to get in. Very quick scalp, nothing crazy. Just because it's a very choppy market. We could even maybe say that it wants to go to this white line, but I'm okay with taking my $20 hits here and there for the rest of the day because I'm up a good amount. I'm up over $800, so could even maybe go like right here. We could go to our 30-second one. So we're right in the zone here on the 30-second. If you guys aren't following me on TikTok, help me out. Give me a follow. I'm not the best with calls. I'm really good at chart reading, but options telling you which one to pick is hard. I'll do it very fast. UNH. And what are you gonna do it for? For how long? Is it gonna be just for the day? Or are you gonna hold it for the ooh? Yeah, but why is it falling like that? No good. Don't catch a falling knife. Unless you believe in it. But this is probably falling because Trump is targeting was in 10 days. I mean, it could have a sympathy bounce. Wow, that's fucking crazy. Did I say from $600 down to $300? Is it all from Trump's, what the hell am I trying to say? He's trying to lower all the drug prices? What should happen? Like, what the fuck? Are you gonna, you're banking off of people's health. That's some devil shit. If it is, I don't know. This is like political, man. Health insurance company, yeah, because they're gonna get ripped. They're probably making so much money paying for charging the customer a lot, and now they're gonna get ripped with 80% off. Well, that's what he's trying to do. Now the key thing of doing that is they force them to show the prices that they get it with, and if you don't, you get a violation. So when you do that, it now makes it competitive where everybody can see your price. So now everybody will lower it until everything levels off. I don't know, man. This one's risky. Was in lived in New York? What does that mean? Oh, is this the I gotcha. This is that one? I don't know, dude. So we're right in that reversal zone. Say this stock was amazing. We are in that reversal zone, but I don't know if it wants to go to this 270s or if it wants to start breaking above here. What I usually do, Perez, is when you join my Discord, I have you go through all the beginner videos. They're just videos of other people on YouTube. There's no point in me making them. I'll eventually do it in the future, but it's a lot of work. So basically, you just watch some videos, get the basics down, and then I will fill in what you're missing as we go. And then every once in a while, maybe once every 2 weeks, 1 week, we'll go over on what our trading style. So like you need to get your own good base. I should make a course, but it's gonna take a long fucking time. But if you just type in like YouTube how to start off day trading futures, there's probably gonna be like 10 courses. Watch like 6 of them until you get it down, and then I will fill in the blanks for you for sure. But like I'm a scalping strategy, so everybody has their own niche. You gotta find it. You gotta find your own niche. JR, I don't know. Falling knife. It's politically being moved too. It's a gamble. How much is the options if you're still in here? Oh wow. Very large sweep. If this can break this high here, I would be cool with shorting it. $1,700? Ah, nah. That's risky. Especially, I'm not very good with the theta. If I would say like you had maybe a little bit longer time frame, like a month out, I would say it's gonna bounce. I think it's gonna bounce. But that's a lot of money to remember. Options you get nothing. Yeah, I just don't know, man. I don't know. Like if you're wrong, you get nothing. Dunzo. dead. What's your reasoning for it other than it just falling? Do they have any outlooks? Good outlooks? We are in the zone to reverse on it. That's just fuck. That's risky. Hopefully this doesn't just fucking grind up. This is a wild day. Five-minute, we're right into that zone. I'm gonna say I wouldn't do it. And if you were, I would be a scalper on it. I would be fucking in and out. It's very political too. Reason why I took this is because of the sweep above, but I probably should have waited for a more bearish candle. If we can break below one of these, I'll feel more comfortable. Alright, broke below this. Let's see if we get a continuation down. Because this was very dramatic. Oh, damn. So what I did here, so I have about 3 strategies I've been kind of sticking to. I usually stick to my signals only. They did very well today. But once it gets real choppy, we'll stay away from signals. And then we'll go into Fibonacci style or swing breaks, liquidity pullbacks. So very quick, in and out, nothing crazy into the cloud. JR, if you do get that and you succeed, or whatever the outcome is, let me know. I'm curious. I'm curious of your results. time is nigh, guys. The time is nigh. Altcoin season, baby. I really want to start looking at BTC too. Yeah, definitely want to start fucking with that. When it starts moving a lot again, like right now I think we're stagnant, right? But once we start moving again, I'm definitely gonna hop in that. For day trading wise. We got a nice buy. So let's see if we can look at this and determine that this would be a good buy. And it would. So normally we wait for a second buy when it first appears out of this nonsense. But this looks really good. We got 8 seconds left. Might be premature. Might not. Let's see. See how like we're just touching it, coming out? I'm coming out. I want the world to know. I wonder if that's considered like liquidity. Sweep. Fight it. Bounce. Break. Go. Okay, so we're going to try to hold this until the candles start turning orange or yellow. You really need to start ripping up here. Because I don't want to start falling below this. We need to like kind of like just rip up so it can keep above this line. I mean, I think the entry was pretty good. Maybe wants to retouch on the 32nd. The only reason why I'm not liking it is because it like probably broke below this. If it comes back up to here and like starts going up a little bit, I might take some profit. And then we'll wait for another signal. But you're not wrong for holding it longer if you want to. It just, you see this trend line here? So it broke above with this buy, came right back down below it. I don't know if it has the strength. And if that's not it, then it's gonna be a slow fucking grind. Do or die section here. Dang, you're fucking killing it, Lib. What, did you get out quick here on the scalp? We're still good. We didn't close below the cloud yet. What makes this buy signal invalid is if it closes below the cloud. But I don't want it to like bounce around the whole time. Powers on Discord? What do you mean -7? That's not bad. It's not bad. Where do you think you messed up? Because the signals in the morning were really good. I mean, we're later on in the day now, so you have to be careful with signals. Oh, you went in too late? Gotcha. It's been a real grind fest up. But like in the morning time, we fucking killed it. The only one that was questionable was here, and that's because Trump was speaking. Other than that, everything else looked really good. For signal wise. And then now we're getting later on in the day, so the volume starts to kick down. But now we're during power hour, so we're gonna see if this continues up. Oh yeah, huh? Probably psyching yourself out. That's what it sounds like. Obviously, don't go too high in contracts, but also know, like, you could be a little aggressive, just like your practice account, but nothing too much. You gotta find that happy medium. All right, that's our second buy signal. I don't want to chase it, but it looks good. Thanks for the follow, Mako Couture. Okay, so break above, and now retest. Should send this up. To be, oh, I don't want to switch that, but I'm also see this too, which kind of bugs me out. Which one is it? Is it the triangle or is it the flag, sideways flag? I don't know. I don't know. And it's overbought. So just be careful, guys. So we might take this out. I'm okay with my $17. Wasn't a big one. It's just it's fighting here, and now I'm wondering if it's actually this pattern. Watch, it's gonna break out. It's gonna do one of these. Be so pissed off. Alright, powers, we're positive. That's all that matters, right? So now this is what I'm kind of seeing here. It's kind of bugging me out. Let's see what my P&L is. I'm doing really well. Kind of adapting to the market, right? 926 for today. $926. And I'm not even fucking trading crazy too. If you guys watch me today, I've been trading pretty fucking lenient. Alright, so if you're not out now off of the signal, the yellow is what we take it off of. Means overbought. It can still continue, but this is just a safe route I keep doing. We buy, we get out when it's orange and yellow. Damn, look at that. I knew it was gonna be like, I had a feeling it was gonna be like this. I was just scared. I think I'm scared. Orange into yellow, just like it was before. Now, normally how you trade this is you wait for the break and then the retest, and then if it shows bullishness, you get into the upside. Still kind of just putting around. Did any of you guys get that? That full thing? I got out a little too early. But this is a break above, so I want to say it's good to go. Maybe we'll just wait for another buy signal. Couldn't hold. Couldn't hold. So we had two good buy signals here. Stop loss is always when the candle closes behind the cloud. Behind the cloud. Oh, it is holding. What a fucking liquidity grab there to the upside. Now all those shorts are stuck. It did go into fucking gray candle, which is annoying. That means that signals are no good right now. Choppy. Very choppy. Let's look, see if there's any divergence. Maybe that's the issue. Could have just been the pullback, to be honest with you. It's not divergent yet. Very quick scalp I might be doing. Very quick. Off the Fibonacci. It's a 30-second chart that I keep transferring to. 330 should be the target. That's all. It could still come down here to the 318s. I've been struggling today to find these bottoms, where it is, because it could easily be right here. So like I can just keep turning it. That's the issue. If we can get a break above this, it should continue up. I just don't want it to start breaking down to just 303s. So first one would be 328, and then the second one would be 331s. We could do 331s too. JR. Yeah, that's what makes me nervous, bro, buying shit that expensive. Because if you're wrong, you're fucked. But if you're right, fucking sweet. But man, it's a gamble. And you're kind of buying a falling knife too. But it is in the reversal zone. I just don't know what in a month it's going to be. And you also got to take the news too. Like, Trump is trying to lower all medicine by, was it 60 to 80%? So they're going to take a whack eventually in profits. This is a snooze market right now. Snoozy. We're out for profit. Small, but steady. back and forth. Man, this happened to me twice today. Not twice, but like it's 1 point away if you wanted to get that target. Still negative 12. I thought you just said you were up 6. Just shorted that might pop. What do you mean? We don't know what the fuck it's gonna do because we're just stuck in this. Stuck in limbo. Limbo world. I don't think anything else is moving either. I want to practice Bitcoin futures, but I don't want to use real money. I gotta practice that one. Any of you guys trade futures, Bitcoin futures? Ugh. It looks good to trade, but then it's like fucking... It looks hard too at the same time. Like the volume wise. I mean, we could do flag patterns all day here. Limbo world. There we go. I'm noticing that too. Like if I miss it by a point, it usually still comes back up. Okay, we kind of reversed there. I would like it to be a little closer. With that hammer. That reverse hammer, because like when it gets too far away, it's too hard to trade. The risk reward starts to run away from you. And it didn't form anyway. Not a good one. Damn it. I hesitated. I was thinking this was gonna fall. And I'm like, because we got this little signal here that we bounced off. If you snooze, you fucking lose. Alright, we went right to this area here, so let's see what happens. One side's gonna win. I just don't want to be in the losing side. Hee hee. Hee hee. How do you get into day trading? Oh man. It's very Let's go to YouTube and search up day trading for beginners. What we're trading here is futures. This looks bullish. I'm gonna buy two. Just gonna be scalping it. Scalping. If it starts collapsing here, then I'll get out. But what do you mean, Powers? I have a practice account open and a real one? I always recommend side hustle at first, because if you were dependent on this money, you will lose. A lot of those big YouTubers don't tell you that they had a side hustle, this was their side hustle, and then finally they were able to get enough followers, and then they make a lot of money off of, say, affiliates or something like that. All right, we're out on that one. Nice. So I always recommend to have a good job in the beginning. And then if you are some godlike trader, then you could do it full time. But just know, like, you could be a really good trader and then have a really bad day that just fucks up your entire month. So I always recommend, don't lose money that you're going to wah about, that you're going to cry. And if you're curious, you can always join my Discord. It's in the bio. There's a section that says no knowledge, beginner no knowledge section. Try looking at some of those videos. They're videos of other people that they put together, but there's no reason for me to put one. Wow, that was a good fucking... I missed it. I missed it. Yeah, just watch a few videos there and you're gonna find out if you like it or not. And then once you start getting at least a little bit decent and you're starting to make a little bit money on your practice account, you can go into a prop firm. Prop firms, it only costs about $50 for a $50,000 account. You got to pass their challenge. You got to make $3,000 without losing $2,000. And then after that, once you pass their challenge, you pay another $100 usually. And then anything past 3,000 on most of them. Some of them have a little bit of different rules, so make sure you read them. Once you make over 3,000, you get to keep whatever you want. So for example, January and February, it was more like February into March, we turned $200 into almost 15 grand. Nice, Libs. Damn. What size account do you have for your prop firm, and what prop firm are you using? Yeah, you gotta find your niche too. So I'm a scalper. This might not work for you. but you can at least get the basics on it. I could do all styles. I just this one works better for me. And libs do homework. What prop firm do you have, and what size? Take Profit Trader? Sweet. I'm actually doing Take Profit Trader too. If you look at their structure, like, you can make a serious amount of money. What was it, 5,000 a day you can take out on each account? Pretty fucking wild. And it's that day too. So I passed 2 accounts already. My first one, I crashed it. It was a shit market, and I don't know, I guess I just got tilted. Second one, I completely fucked up and pressed 30 contracts. I'm not proud of it. I'm not proud of it. But we passed our third one, and now we're working on a third one right now. I usually use Apex. I still have a bunch of Apex accounts. I just I switch back and forth. Apex has been doing me really good too, guys. As long as you don't make one, you can dollar cost average now. You can't go past 30% loss. So, and one trade. So say you have a $2,000 account, $2,000 in profit, you can't hold one trade. Like if it's a loser, see, this is really good shit here. Let's see. I think we're gonna go up again. Very quick scalp, very quick. I kind of felt like maybe I should have waited. Only because it went up high. If it comes back down, we'll get back in a little bit more. What the hell was I gonna say? Yeah, Apex has been doing good as long as you their 30% rule. So if you hold one loser, say you have a $2,000 in profit, more than $600, it violates their rule. Then you have to wait another 10 days. Trade their very minimum. Is React a meme coin or a actual altcoin? I only want to add one more if it comes down. It's an actual altcoin. I don't really like getting into altcoins that aren't. We're in endgame right now, so there's only like 4 more months, 5 more months before Bitcoin tops. I'm looking at September and October for Bitcoin's top. Then altcoins, it's gonna be up to you. There's gonna be should be one pump coming up soon, and I don't know if there's gonna be a second pump because 4 years ago the second pump never happened. That's cool. Man, does this wanna liquidity pull back up? I don't know. Maybe we're fucking wrong. This looks more like it's just a fucking straight up this. This is probably the rejection. I'm in a little deep. I don't know if I'm comfortable with doing that, but it's too late. It's too late. I think it's gonna retrace though. Back up. It's gotta break. It's gotta go back above here too. Okay, we're back above. Well, for now, we gotta have it close. I mean, it's 347, so we don't want to go too heavy. Even though we did go too heavy, but I mean, on the 30-second chart, I believe that just love tapped it. $322 to $325. Kind of just want to make sure I get out at least 4 of these. I know they ain't gonna be shit. I just don't want it to grind down. Oh, it doesn't? Oh, what? Well, isn't it reset? Well, it's trailing, right? I think you can see it on your Tradeovate. Fuck, this is coming down a little bit too hard. I'm not know if I like it. Might be our first fucking loser. Oh, man. Might be. Right at that 61. The problem is I want to go to the 78s. Yeah, I think if you go to Tradeovate, I'd have to log in, but if you go to Tradeovate, holy shit. See, I fucking knew it. I fucking knew it. Powers, if you're watching, this is what I was talking about yesterday. Like, I'm fucking right, and he just wants to test you. What was you saying yesterday? Test these punks. Test these punks. On Trade of 8, if you go to... Test these punks, yo. I'm trying to log in Trade of 8 for you. So if you click on your equity open P&L box on the top right, it'll say your max drawdown. Wait, let me go to a different one. Let me sign out of this one. Look at this. This is fucking stupid. Don't trade, guys. Don't trade right now. Where is my damn login credentials? Oh, I gotta click on it, that's right. Control V. 1 second, I'm almost there. Yeah, so if you go to TR Max Drawdown under, if you click on your not profit, your equity account. So next to your account, there's a box to your right of it. It's like top right. And you go down, it should be under T Max Drawdown. So you have 3,000 until you lose it. I mean, pre-trade, take profit and stop loss amount for each trade. Yeah, I'm not following what you're saying. I mean, pre-trade, take profit and stop loss amount. You lost me, bro. I'm sorry. I'm like, what? I don't like about take profit traders. It doesn't tell you how much you'll lose or gain. Oh, I don't. Oh, you mean like, I got you. know. I thought, does it do, what platform do you use? Tradeovate? I thought it did. If you drag it down. Yeah, yeah. It doesn't do that? Does any of the other ones do that? Now I'm not thinking about it. I don't even know. Yeah, I don't know. I would assume that it does. I gotta sign back in. Sign me up. I'm not done streaming on Discord. I just gotta hide my screen real quick. This could be a potential to the upside. I'm just nervous. Let's see. It'll be very small if we take this. Should be good. First candle to break a high should at least go to the cloud. Top Step? Well, Top Step X definitely does. Top Step X just came out with something. I saw an email. You can change. It says that you can create your own. I got profitable, by the way. I didn't try it yet, but I'm too nervous to put my actual code in there. Linking your account allows sharing your subscription across multiple products. I gotta see what it does. Doesn't look like there's gonna be any more trades right now. Is there any earnings in the rest of the day? I don't know. Wow, coin is up 25%. Why? Or did I look at that wrong? It's up 3%, sorry. Ripping. Ripping, son. Veneri fair value gap indicator. Would you like to use that? It works. It works. You like that one? I mean, I got my own indicators I got here, but oh, Vinay. You got swing trade, that's all I see. I don't know if there's any big names here. I don't see any big names. Oh, it's on Take Profit Trader? What, in Tradeovate? Gotcha.
It's your track, brother.
Yeah.
All right.
Take it there.
In my I can try putting in here. Sometimes it doesn't like me doing it. If you just if you just take it and then if you just highlight it and then put it into Google, it'll pop up. Highlight that that link or the link in my bio. If you go to my bio, you can take that link and then copy it and then just put it into Google. It should pop up. You got to figure out a way to highlight it. There you go. No pressure to join anything else, but I do like to see if you guys would join and then we could all bullshit together. Take some time to build this up. We're at 125 members. We will get bigger, I promise. Just takes time. Tired. Take your time. Let's do whatever you want. No pressure to buy my indicators. You can still join and just bullshit in the Discord. What's Bold Bot? I never heard of that one. Most of the bots, there are very few that are incredibly amazing. So like each market changes. So the past couple weeks, the signals have been really hard to trade. Today was a great day, obviously, but market news is what fucks things up. So it's hard to get people to understand that. So when the bot comes and they get upset when it doesn't perform well, like during, say, this month and last month, it wasn't that great. So some of them can work, and then some of them are just complete bullshit. So sometimes you got to sift through the news, if that makes sense. Like today, Trump was speaking a lot, so we were very cautious. So if there was a way to program not to trade during high news, it would probably work a lot. I just don't know if you can. I haven't figured it out. Because it's like a different resource. And it doesn't help that Trump gets on like random as fuck, too. Let's see what we did for today. The reason why I don't show my account here is because last few times you guys fucking banned me. If you're on 1030, if you're on Discord, you can see. And that was not trading anything crazy either. You know, you guys didn't see me do anything wild. I mean, that last one with the 5 contracts was a little wild. But it wasn't anything crazy. Nothing cuckoo. Like right now, I wouldn't be taking this short only because it can be very profitable. But we're after 4 o'clock. I have no fucking clue when the volume's dying, you know? Maybe look, they have accounts here? What do you mean? What, is that in the robot? The Bold Bot? Should I be Googling it or in the indicator? Bold plot. Bold bot. Oh, on TikTok?
The market is closed.
Yeah, we'll look. Let's see. Most of the time I can see if it's wrong instantly. I've been trading for so long. Oh, was it SAYY guy? UNH? What's UNH? I'm trying to look at this bull bomb, just curious. It looks like grid trading. I'll have to look at it more. See, Bry, what up, man? You can Google them. They have website too. What do you think about UNH? I don't know what that is. How'd you do today, C. Bry? I don't know, guys. Well, that's for the end of the day. Maybe I'll hop on later. I'm not sure. I gotta figure out how I want to release my second indicator here. I don't know if I want to make a video first, give you guys access first, and then make the video. I don't fucking know. Because you guys need to know when to use it too. We'll be checking it out. If I gotta go fucking cook dinner. Some grilled chicken. Damien, thanks for the follow. But I will be on tomorrow. Let me make that event now. If you guys ever curious when I'm on and you're in my Discord, I try to put when I'll be on. Next live day trading futures. 14th. Very good, Ming. Alright, guys, I'll be on. Maybe I might be on later. I don't know. I got some shit I gotta do. But we're gonna go cook dinner first and then whatever. I'll definitely be on tomorrow morning. Get some money. Later, Powers. Always good hanging out with you. Very good. See you tomorrow. Adios. Is it amigas? Okay.